How to add products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. So first of all, you're gonna go to Dropshipping, CJ Dropshipping, and then you're gonna connect your store. It should be found directly here, and choose the Shopify option. It should just automatically bring you to Shopify authorization. Then just go ahead and press on authorize. Once you've done that, it's gonna lead you to another tab where you're gonna have to install this app. So it's free to install, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Just press on install and it's gonna lead you in a Shopify page where you install the CJ Dropshipping app. So just go ahead and press on install. So once you've done that, it will lead you to another tab where you can authorize your Shopify to CJ Dropshipping. So just go ahead and press on the authorize button and the authorization will be a success. Next, just go back to CJ Dropshipping and choose whichever item you'd like. Maybe you want a reflective collar for a little cat in your Shopify. Just go ahead and wait for everything to load and navigate yourself here to the list option. And then you're gonna choose your store, which will be your Shopify. And then that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is put in your descriptions and your vendor, other kinds of descriptions like your tags collections, your variant pricings, images and videos. You can toggle which ones you want in or out, description as well, but it should automatically all be there. Then once you're done, just go ahead and press on this option, which is to list it now. And then your product or the product you found will appear in your Shopify store. So that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.